I think that everything should be used at least twice or should have a second life or use, especially if it comes to your workshop. So for me, I like to use worn out t-shirts or old bed linen as cleaning towels or as cloths to apply wax to surfaces and so on. But cutting these claws is kind of annoying and time consuming, even with sharp tools. Today we will fix that problem. My name is Heiko, welcome to the shop.
Alright, now I want to drill the holes as I marked them on the piece of metal. And my advice is, if you want to drill through such a thin piece of metal, you really shouldn't hold that by hand and then try to drill, because if the drill stucks, then the piece of metal starts to turn with the drill. And as it is very thin, it is kind of sharp and you can really hurt yourself or cut your fingers. So my advice is, put it on a piece of wood and take some screws, bring them in, and then the piece of metal will be very secure. And nothing can happen here. Yeah, let's drill some holes.
With that little device, cutting claws is a piece of cake. The building time was about 20 to 30 minutes with a blade guard, and I really recommend not using the cutter without any protection. So this project will save you a lot of time over the next years, and it is a nice beginner's project and entirely made from scrap pieces. I hope you will join me in the next videos. Happy crafting!